minus 4. What's 5 minus 4, Teddy? 1. How easy was that on a scale of 5 being really, really easy and 1 being like, oh my god, I did not know. I'm hoping I see a lot of 5s and 10, some 10s, like some 9s. That's so easy, isn't it? Now, let's think about this if the unit is dogs. 5 dogs minus 4 dogs. Izzy. 1 dog. How about Diego? What if we're talking about monkeys? 5 monkeys minus 4 monkeys. 1 monkey. How about if we're talking about sixths, Natalie? We have 5 6 minus 4 6. How many 6 do we have left? Yeah, Cami. 1 6. Nice. What if it's 5 16ths minus 4 16ths? Lucius. Huh. I'm seeing a pattern. Anyone else see a pattern? Yeah. What about 5 cupcakes minus 4 cupcakes? Rylan. 1 cupcake. So now that we know that, let's go back to our 5 6 minus 4 6. Someone remind me what we said that was. Jalen. 1 6. So could we count by 6 to get to 1 whole? So let's start with 0, right? 0 6 1 6
2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 6.
6 6 is the same as
1 whole.
So let's do it again, and instead of saying 6 6, we say 1. Okay. So we'll start with 0. Okay. 0
1 6 2 6 3 7 4 6 5 6 1 whole.
1 whole. Thank you. So I also heard Luke D kind of, when we got to 3 6, he was like 1/2. Is Luke D right? Yeah, because we know 3 6 is equivalent to 1/2, right, Tavarie? Do we see any other sixths on this number line that we could change to an equivalent fraction? Liana. Okay, so Liana's saying 4 6 is the same as 2/3, and 2 6 is the same as 1/3. Do we agree with Liana? Yeah. Luke D.
5 6 can be 20
24s, and how'd you get that?
I times both by 4.
By 4, huh? So, that's right, because 5 times 4 we know is 20. 6 times 4, Teddy, is 24, an equivalent fraction. Okay. You guys are so ahead of the game. Now, let's just focus on our 6s on our number line. You told me earlier that 5 6, 4 monkeys, minus 4 6, or 4 monkeys, is, thank you for not calling out Liana, is 1 6. We could show that on our number line like this. Because we went back 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Putting a whole and a fraction? Oh, so what would a mixed number be? Yeah, Jalen. 1 and 2 6. Awesome. Or Autumn, 1 and. Okay, good job, Jalen. 3rd. Autumn, yes.
Wouldn't it actually be for the main part of the number bond? Why isn't it 10 6?
That's a good question.
Showing the 8 6 answer is why is it supposed to show what makes up 8 6?
Well, let's pretend none of this was here and we were just trying to do it for 8 6. That would be just easy. But we have to do a little math before we came up with 8 6, didn't we? We could do it with 10 6. You could do a number bonds. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
But the problem was asking us to solve for 10 6 minus 2 6, which is 8 6, and then pull it apart.
If the number bond were to be 8, 6 as the main part, shouldn't the math problem be 8, 6 minus 2, 6?
Well, what would that be?
6, 6.
That would just be a whole. Yeah. So Autumn, why don't you, just for extra, do this for us? That's a little hard to see. There we go. Yeah, Autumn. Just, so this is if we didn't do subtraction to begin with. 10, 6.
8, 6, and 2, 6.
8, 6, and 2, 6? Who could help Autumn out? Diego.
6, 6, and let's see, 6, 6, and 4, 6.
And 4, 6. Okay. So Autumn, that would become 1 whole and 4, 6. Or 2/3. Yes, Natalie. Nice. So we're gonna do one more together until, and then I think you'll be ready to go. Oh, I see Charlie going ahead. Be ready to go to your desk and work by yourself. So, wow, some people went ahead and are showing me. So raise your hand if you're ready to go back to your desk and work by yourself. So the hands I don't see in the air can stay on the rug with me. And everyone else, your leaders will bring this to your desk. So why don't you go put your boards away and leaders come to me. Oh, you do? Okay. Oh, okay. You're a leader? Okay.
Weird.
Oh, I believe you have one already. Yeah, thank you. Did you get one today? Okay, so you're... Jalen, are you on the road? Did you need more help? You hold on to that. Perfect. Perfect. You go start this. Okay. Should we send out a search party? Okay. How about before lunch, I will do a check-in with the class and see if anyone's seen it. Do you have another eraser you can use right now? Okay, well I see. Oh. Thank you, Diego, for getting started right away.
I need the paper for my table.
Oh, for your whole table. Well, so does this make a whole or less than a whole? How many do you need, Isaac? Okay. Yeah, so what we want to do is when we take a whole away from 6/5, we want to see what's left over. So if you take 5 cats away from 6 cats, how many cats do you have left? 1. 1 cat. 1 6, right? Double check if you're adding or subtracting. Thank you. That's okay. That's okay. You just have to double check. I know I threw a subtraction in. Oh, the prospectors are looking pretty good. They might get a pass down to lunch. Maybe both of them. Who knows? Keep it up. Nice. Now, do you want to go do this at your desk or do you want to stay down here with me? Good job, Elizabeth.
show proof for this part.
For this one, you just have to write the answers.
Yay!
Yeah. If it helps you to use one of our methods, like a number bond or tape diagram, you can do that. I like these glasses. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Also, let's see if we can simplify any of these fractions, right?
3 tenths minus 3 tenths.
What is 2/6 the same as? If you were to make it this. Nice, Autumn. Good job. You're definitely not. Yeah. Yeah, when you finish the first page, you should flip it over, right? So 3 halves, 2 halves. Because those are both halves. Yeah, so can we subtract it like that? Or do we have to make our dog eggs first? Think back to Friday. Check in with your table partner, see if she could talk you through it.
What is it? 2/3.
So could you say it in a way that might her understand
So
better?
it's okay. So this is 1 and it's 1.5. That's that 1 whole.
And why is that, Alma?
Because
1/2?
2 halves is equal to 1 whole, and 3 halves is 1 more than 2.
How's it going?
So it's 1.
Okay. Diego, are you and Lucius going to be able to sit next to each other?
I will move aside.
Oh, that's a very mature decision. Why don't you sit here? So I think we're going to work for about 5 more minutes on this paper. And it's okay if you're not finished. What's going on? Okay. Is that something you have to do right now, though? Because it looks like you have a lot of work still to do. When you're done with this one. Oh, no, it's a little different. See? Hey, Keaton, how's it going?
Great.
Great? Exactly. Hey. Nice. Perfect. How about this one?
I'll do that.
Can I watch you do it?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Nice.